Ever wondered what common mistakes business owners often make? Well, you're about to find out. Firstly, we have the plague of lack of planning. Imagine setting sail without a compass. That's akin to running a business without a clear plan. This includes goals, strategies, and financial projections. Without these, operations can become directionless and resources may be allocated inefficiently. Secondly, there's the pitfall of ignoring market research. Launching products or services without understanding what your customers need is like shooting arrows in the dark. Furthermore, failing to identify your target audience effectively can lead to wasted resources. Thirdly, underestimating costs is a common error. Many businesses overlook the financial realities of starting and running a business. This can lead to cash flow issues and financial instability. Next up, overexpansion. Just like a plant needs time to root before it grows, a business needs a solid foundation before it expands. Growing too quickly or expanding into new markets without proper preparation can strain resources and lead to operational inefficiencies. Then there's the issue of poor financial management. Whether it's neglecting to track expenses, mixing personal and business finances, or failing to secure adequate funding, such mismanagement can lead to financial problems and even business failure. Sixth on our list is neglecting marketing. Relying solely on word of mouth or not investing enough in marketing efforts can limit business visibility and growth potential. The seventh mistake is ignoring customer feedback. Failing to listen to your consumers and adapt your products or services accordingly can result in a loss of customers to competitors who are more responsive. Coming in at number 8 is neglecting technology. In this digital age, failing to embrace technology or stay updated with industry trends can make a business less competitive and hinder innovation. The ninth mistake is micromanaging. Trying to control every aspect of the business can lead to burnout and limit employee autonomy and creativity. Next, we have the blunder of ignoring legal and regulatory requirements. Neglecting to comply with obligations such as taxes, licenses, permits, and industry standards can result in fines, lawsuits, and damage to your business's reputation. The 11th mistake is poor hiring practices. Making hiring decisions based solely on cost rather than qualifications and cultural fit can lead to high turnover rates and decreased productivity. Last but not least, failure to adapt. In an ever-changing world, flexibility and adaptability are key. Failing to adjust to changing market conditions, customer preferences, and technological advancements can result in becoming obsolete. In summary, these 12 mistakes, lack of planning, ignoring market research, underestimating costs, overexpansion, poor financial management, neglecting marketing, ignoring customer feedback, neglecting technology, micromanaging, ignoring legal and regulatory requirements, poor hiring practices, and failure to adapt can be detrimental to your business. However, with the right guidance and support, such as that provided by Alpha Fam Management Consulting, these pitfalls can be avoided or mitigated. Remember, the road to success is always under construction, and with the right tools, you can build a thriving business.